twin turbo. Used to be a 541, now it's a 526. It's a restart after about 4 years. I got to prime the oil pump, which is down there. Now you can see it, there's the oil pump. And then over there I got to get to the fuel pump. I don't know if you could see it. Alright, anyway, we're going to get under there and prime it so we can't get the show on the road. Okay? Let's see if I can get closer. Okay. First things first. Get the belt off. Okay. Belt for the fuel pump. Cover belt for the oil pump. Okay. Primer adapter for the oil pump. Okay. One drill motor. Socket for that. There's my wobble extension. There it is. That's the side for the fuel pump. Is the dashboard lit? Did you look?
Yeah.
Go look at it now. Let me see what we got for oil pressure. Let me double check it. Tell me when you're ready.
Hit 36.
All right, hang on. I lost it. It makes a lot of load and it lost a chuck. Tighten it up. Yeah, I want to oil it up to the rockers. So I'm going to let it run for a minute. It's been sitting too long. How much you get?
84.
Good, excellent. That's what I was hoping for. 84 pounds. Right? Now let's quick prime up the fuel. Excellent.
Fuel 66.
Okay, 66 pounds. Excellent. That's perfect for startup. Okay. Now, I can tell everybody, before you make your next move, put your belts back on. Okay. Here's one. Oh, Mr. Man, spline up. Oil pump on, very good. Very good, okay. The oil pump is a Gilmer belt or a cogged belt. The fuel pump belt, that's a Waterman anyway, the Waterman, and it's a Moroso oil pump. The Waterman has a radius tooth belt, okay? That's only a 1/2 inch, the other one's 3/4. 3/4 an inch, looks like inch. Okay, let's see if we can get started. Let me see if I can get this higher. See if we can't hear some noise. Ignition on.
Ignition.
Not bad, pretty successful. Oh, that's the oil tank, the puke tank rather, I'm sorry. I just put as big a one as I could find in the front. I went over the oil system. Comes from the pump, here's the inlet, through the filter, back to the engine. That's the race pack. Now this T is for, it comes out, this feeds the race pack. This oils the right turbo, this oils the left turbo. Then what I did is I changed this around. I used to send it to the pan, but this was an update that I don't know if it's going to work. It should work terrific actually. I took the dumps and shortened them up. I went right from the bottom of the turbo, let me see if you can get it, right from the bottom of the turbo, I up to 12s, and I'm dumping them in the valve cover on both sides. Overflow for the radiator. Is relay for the fuel pump, relay for the, water pump, and a relay for the fan. I used to have the ECU up here when I did it, but I got rid of it. It wound up inside. And same thing here. There's the dump for this turbo back into that. There's the distributor in the back, which does nothing other than send spark. Actually, no. That's the cam sync. That's the trigger, and that's the cam sync. Cam sync is going to set my injection timing.